Most mornings I start my day with a warm drink, and if I'm going to have coffee, it's usually an over-the-top, extra bougie coffee. I make a bulletproof coffee with decaf coffee, grass-fed butter, collagen, MCT oil, a little vanilla extract, and then heavy whipping cream. And there's something about the process of making this extravagant drink that I just really enjoy. It's just a bit of self-care in the quiet of the morning for just me. Even on the darkest, grayest, coldest days, I try to get outside for just a couple minutes to gaze towards the sunlight. Hi. Yeah. It's time for breakfast. It's a late breakfast. Honey, is it breakfast time? Boba's waiting too. And Daisy. Come on, Annie. Let's go. Little piece of donut. Come on, Bobas. Come on, buddy. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am sitting... I'm trying to sit outside and record a video, but there's usually somebody that interrupts me. This time you have a dog peeing in the video. Today, I am sharing with you what I eat in a day. This is what I eat, this is not what my kids eat. But there were actually quite a bit of requests from all of you to share what I'm eating now, now that I'm a year plus into not being vegan. And I can tell you that the aversion to meat that I had initially is gone. My mouth actually salivates when I'm prepping meat or when I'm thinking about meat sometimes, and for the most part I've gotten over this squeamish, gross, disgusted feeling that I had when I was initially vegan. If you're struggling with this, if you're just recently not vegan or you're thinking about leaving veganism and you're really struggling with that, I totally feel you. I was there. I was never somebody that even craved meat. You can watch more of my video that I talked about how to incorporate meat into your diet when you're just transitioning. I'll put the link up above. But I don't have those problems anymore, and in fact I kind of purposely desensitized myself and purposely watched videos on meat smithing and butchering because, one, we want to have a farm and that's the reality of farming, and two, I really want to honor the animals, and so if I'm going to eat meat, then I want to be able to do it myself. And so I really had to, I wanted to desensitize myself, and a vegan might think that that's kind of sick, but if you have been vegan and you've transitioned, or if you are a farmer and you're honoring animals, then you know what I'm talking about. But I feel so good these days. I am satiated all the time. I eat a fraction of what I used to eat being vegan. I used to eat all day, every day, from the moment I woke up to the moment I went to bed. You know, I was gaining quite a bit of fat around my middle section and in my thighs, and for the most part I've lost quite a bit of that. I feel like I still am working on, I mean, I don't think that I'm overweight by any means or anything, but I did have an alarming amount of fat that was collecting around my midsection no matter how much I exercised or what I did. And I can honestly say that I don't exercise as hard as I used to when I was vegan, and I tend to stay leaner. I'm not bloated anymore. I'm never bloated. The only time I'm ever bloated is if I decide to have some carbs. And so right now I'm eating a ketogenic diet with bits of fasting. So usually every other Sunday I'm fasting for as long as I can manage. So the last time I fasted, I made it 21 hours, and I'm just trying to do these kind of gentle fasts to help my body get into autophagy and to break down all of the toxins I have in my body, and to kind of reset my body, reset my hormones, and to heal any ailments that I have, heal inflammation. When I was vegan, I was never able to fast. The only fasting I ever did when I was vegan were juice fasts. I would do these juice feasts, they're called. I was drinking an enormous amount of juice. And even though they were green, it was still tons of sugar. And I would be fixated on food all day long when I would try to do these juice cleanses, and I would just focus on the next time that I would be able to have a juice. Like, it was so challenging for me to fast. And now, because I'm in keto, it's actually reasonably easy. I'll wake up, maybe I'll have a tea, and I just drink water all day until usually the late afternoon, when I'll have a normal meal, and I feel great. I can go out and do things. I don't have weird blood sugar feelings. I don't feel like I'm gonna pass out. I don't get shaky. My stomach will rumble when I'm fasting sometimes, but it's not the same. It's not this like, I have to eat. I'm really satiated not being vegan anymore, and I'm so grateful for my health and my body to be able to recover from being vegan for a decade. I still feel like I'm having hormonal issues from that. I feel like being vegan actually put me into early perimenopause. I've always had hormonal imbalances, but I think veganism really deprived my body of the nutrients that it needed, and so really messed it up. But other than that, my energy is great. I feel great. Generally, my sleep's pretty good. There are other things that I'm doing that I can talk about in another video as well. But so that I can keep this video short, I just wanted to give you this little intro and let you know this is what I eat in a day. This is basically it. It's very simple. And today we were running errands. We had to go out and pick up our raw dairy from the raw dairy farm we go to. So I was up and out the door pretty early, and it was just a pretty simple day. So enjoy. If you have any questions about the way that I'm eating, or if you need any resources or any help or encouragement, please feel free to leave comments below. Hi, Finny. Hello, bubbies. Are you jealous too? Oh, everybody's jealous. Everybody. Anyway, here is what I eat on a regular day, and I hope you enjoy. Look at your crop. It's giant. Go back over there and eat.
Now she wants to smell.
What are you doing? Did you lay an egg in Theo's bed again? Our life is so weird. I don't see an egg.
What are you up to? Huh?
So excited! Cool, look, got my soap things. This is to make Did you do it? Did you lay your egg?
You didn't do it, honey. Not me.
I'm pretty sure she did it.
Mm-hmm.
There it is. There's your egg.
You're tiny. It's the size of your head.
You did a good job. You laid your egg in our hats and mittens. Whoopsie. We had a little splatter. So I had a little lettuce to that, but I'm not today. I'm not feeling the lettuce. I'm having a snack right now because I didn't really eat a large lunch. I had that omelet, and I had a couple of the fat bombs, but I'm not really that hungry. I'm starting to get a little hungry, but I'm not like hungry enough to make a meal, and I don't want to make too much before dinner. So cheers.